Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to set digit to save a percentage of your income. Saving a fixed percentage of your income is a smart way to build your savings consistently, and digit lets you do this pretty easily. So start by opening the digit app and navigating to your savings settings. You want to look for the option to save based on income percentage, and then set the percentage that you want to save each time that you get paid. For instance, maybe 10%, 20%, whatever it is. Digit will then automatically calculate exactly how much that percentage equals based on your income deposits, and transfers that amount to your savings goal. This method ensures that your savings grow proportionally to your earnings, making it much easier to manage your budget and avoid saving too much or too little. You can always adjust the percentage later if your financial situation changes or if you want to save more aggressively. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe for more tips on using digits to boost your savings. Don't forget to ring that notification bell as well, so you never miss another update, because YouTube is crazy and they don't always send out notifications. So make sure you ring that bell so you always get notified. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.